Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run a plugin in Figma. Once you're in Figma, guys, if you want to run a plugin, all you have to do is simply click on the left hand side where you have the main menu. Just click on that and you will find plugins in a list. Just click on manage plugin and you can basically search for plugins that you want to use, right? So you can either click on all and scroll through and find something, or you can go to assets, you see what's there, or you can go to plugins and widgets and kind of find something, or just go ahead and search for whatever you need to. It's really up to you. So in this case, I'm gonna just go on plugin and widgets and just find something. So let's take, for example, if something like GIFs. If I want to include GIFs in my design, I can simply type in GIFs and it will search and see if there's anything there. And here you can see GIFs and Giphy. So let's say I wanted to run this plugin or one of these plugins. I can click on it and then you can see that I can hit run, right? And it says how to use this search. You find a perfect GIF and then you click on it. And of course you can use it. So I'm going to click on run right here and you will see right away that it pops up right here in my Figma design, right? And you can go ahead and search whatever. So let's say I want to type in, for example, laugh. I can basically find something, and if I find something that I like, for example this, I click on that or double click and you can see that it's added within my design. So that's how easy it is, guys. You can basically use plugins within your Figma design. So if you want to add plugins, this is how you actually do it, and that's how you use plugins. This is just a typical example of one type of plugins. You can search for whatever you want and you can add it within your designs, and that's pretty much it.